Hello guys, welcome to the Scholarship Analyst channel. And in this video, we are going to be talking about the Chinese government fully funded scholarship for both BSc, the undergrad, the masters, and the PhD students. People that are looking for a BSc, that are looking for a master's degree, that are looking for a PhD degree, this scholarship is for you. This particular scholarship has some sketchy application method, which I've taken my time to break it down and explain everything. And all you need to do is to watch this video to the end so as to understand. You might be seeing some disjointed information online, but this particular video gives you the full information on what you need to know about the Chinese government scholarship. So before I continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel and you are watching this video right now, click on the word subscribe button and don't just subscribe, also put on the notification so as to get notified when a new video is uploaded. So don't just subscribe, also put on the notification as you can see on the screen. And also help us to like our video so as to encourage us to create more video on how to get a scholarship. So let's get started. So this particular scholarship, like I said, is both for undergrad. If you're looking for a bachelor's degree, is both for master's degree, and also it's also for a PhD degree, as we can see on the screen. And let's just quickly dive into it. Let's look at the benefits. Let's look at what this particular scholarship covers. Is it actually fully funded? Like I said, it's a fully funded scholarship. So let's quickly dive into that so as to understand one or two things about the scholarship. So the scholarship, you can say the scholarship has a monthly stipend of this in RMB for undergrad, full tuition waiver, and free accommodation. For master, monthly stipend, full tuition, free accommodation, and medical insurance. For PhD, monthly stipend, free education institution, and free accommodation, as you can see. So, which means that is a fully funded scholarship. And you are being paid monthly stipend. So now, what are the requirements, the document that you need for this scholarship, and how do you intend to go about applying for this scholarship? So this document for this scholarship, I took my time, to get all this information down for you guys, so as not to be asking me questions that I've already answered in the video. So before you ask me any question, make sure that you finish the video, that you finish watching the video. Then you can come back to ask me question because I don't want you to be asking questions that I've already answered in the video. So the document that is required is educational document, your degree, your transcript, your recommendation letter, two recommendation letter from your professors or your teachers. So your ITS, this can be waived because this is optional. You can see. And also you need a medical record, a medical certificate that prove that you're medically upright. So additional requirement is like study plan, which is your motivation letter or your statement of purpose, your passport, international passport, a picture of you, and also a police clearance certificate from your country. So we also have acceptance letter from the Chinese for the Chinese government scholarship, and these are acceptance letter from the universities. So Chinese government scholarship has some list of university that has like agency code, so which you need to find out. So, but you don't need to stress yourself too much. Just read what I wrote here. I'm going to drop the link of this website in the description of this video. So all you need to do is just read what is there. So what do we have there? Get an acceptance letter from a desired Chinese university. Find out the faculty list, your professor profile. You can see it here. So, and then you can see the rest of there because they have limited quota. You need a CV, character certificate, experience letter. That's like your professional experience certificate, and any other certificate that is asked by the university. So your procedure is to apply on the CSE portal, apply on Chinese University admission portal. So you need to choose the Chinese university of your choice, the university of your choice in Chinese in China, and then first of all you need to apply on the application portal. And where is the application portal? Let me quickly scroll down. Please don't forget to read the rest of this information. Because I'm skipping it doesn't mean you should skip it, because the process, the step-by-step process is already explained in this content. So it is better for you to read it so that you won't come back asking me question. So let me please scroll down. So this is the application portal. If you click on the apply now, you will get to the sorry, a minute. So if you click on the application portal, so if you click on the application portal, if you click on the application, sorry, if you click on the apply now, it's going to take you to this particular page. So it's going to take you to this page. As you can see, click on English. So you can see your page in English. Then you can click on create account. If you don't have an account before, just click on create account, put your username, your email address, your password, your verification code, which is here, repeat what is there, and then submit. Then you can log into the portal and then start to apply. So which is the first step? Create the portal, create your profile and apply. As you can see it here, apply on the portal, then apply to the Russian university. To choose the list of university, apply. So you can see the next step. Just read everything that is here, so that I won't be repeating what is there for you. You just read everything. So once you read everything, then if you have any question, ask me in the comment section. I'm going to reply you. But make sure you're not asking me what is already here. So, but don't be scared. Just ask me any question you have. I'm going to reply you. So that will be all for this video. I don't want to waste too much time. And then after that, you submit or you upload all your required document and then you submit it. And then so the Russian government scholarship, the CSC, we send your, if you are chosen, we send your names to the school, and the school grant you the admission. Sometimes the school has to give you admission. So the school, then once the school give you admission, then once the scholarship also choose you, everything balanced already, then you get your fully funded scholarship. So it just depends on which type you choose, but choose type B. So whenever you're applying. So that's all for now. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.